Hey, you got Shirley here. Life through my lens as an optician with 30 years of experience. Hey guys, I got a good one for you today. Are you wearing glasses for the first time? Here's what to expect. Okay, we're going to talk about what to expect. First pair of glasses. Are you about to wear glasses for the first time? It can be exciting, but weird at the same time. Also, in this video, I will break it down what to expect with tips to adjust quickly. Let's go, let's get started. Okay, your vision, when you put these glasses on for the first time, if you haven't worn glasses before, your vision is gonna feel like it's 3D. Things are gonna be really clear. You will possibly experience dizziness, objects seeming closer or farther away than they are. Give it a few days to adjust, okay? Your brain needs time to adjust to what you're putting in front of it. Now, if you're getting glasses for the very first time, meaning you've never worn glasses before, there's definitely going to be a time of adjustment. If you're going from single vision to a progressive, you're going to need to adjust. So make sure you give yourself time to adjust. Another thing, in the beginning, you may be super aware of the frame, but your brain will adapt and you won't notice the frame anymore. Me, myself, I've never had that problem. Like every pair of glasses I've had, the frame didn't bother me. I noticed with some of my patients, if the frame has color on the inside, some of them can't deal with that. But like I said, your brain will adapt. You just have to give it time. Okay, some tips for adjusting to your new glasses. You're gonna need to wear them consistently. Usually what I tell my patients when they get their glasses, don't wear them right now when you're picking them up. Take them home, put them on first thing in the morning, and leave them on. This will help you to get used to them and wear them consistently. Move your head. Don't move your head and not your eyes. If you are looking to the side like this or like this, depending on your prescription, that's going to be blurry. But if you turn your head and point your nose right at what you want to see, it'll be clear because you'll be looking through the focal point of the lens. You're going to want to keep them clean. It's been my experience, and all the time that I've been doing this, the best thing to clean is a microfiber cloth and a spray that is meant for cleaning lenses. Don't use any Windex, don't use any dish soap. That stuff will eat away at the coatings on your lenses. You want to take the time to look at what frame is going to fit your face, okay? And do a little research beforehand, before you order these glasses. If you have a round face, you're going to probably want something a little more square. If you have a square face, you're going to want a round frame. Oval faces can wear just about anything. So there are guides that you can look up online to teach you about face shapes and what frames go well with each shape. And you can have that in your brain cells when you go to pick out a frame, and you'll know what you're looking for. Okay. Comfort is important. So you want to make sure these glasses are comfortable. If they don't feel comfortable, that's not the pair for you. You want to make sure that they fit this way. You want to try to center your eyes. You don't want your eyes to be over here or way over here. You want your eyes to be centered. And you don't want it to be too wide. You shouldn't be able to put your finger through there. If you can get your finger through here, that frame is too wide. Me, I usually suggest a frame based on the prescription. A lot of times the prescription is where I start for everything. But food for thought, you can get a lightweight frame that's going to be more comfortable. Some of the lightweight materials out there are carbon and titanium. Titanium is a very strong metal and it's very lightweight. So that is a good option. Also, if you're allergic to metals, you won't be allergic to titanium if it's pure titanium. It's the nickel in the metal that causes that allergic reaction when you see where people's glasses are turning green. And I suggest a metal frame so that you can have adjustable nose pads. It just makes it so much easier if we can adjust that frame on your head. If you get a plastic frame, the way it is the way it is. There's nothing we can do on the nose to change anything. So, lightweight titanium metal frame. It's important that you get your accessories. You're going to need a case, a cloth, and lens cleaner. Those things are important. Now, you see some women wear their glasses around their neck on a chain. Depending on your lifestyle, you could do that, but I usually don't recommend it because it's so easy to break your glasses that way, because you have them hanging and you're not thinking about that they're hanging there, and then you bang them, scratch them. Okay? You're going to want to get glasses that have a blue blocker. Blue light causes eye strain. Blue light is emitted by screens. So if you spend time on your phone, your computer, your laptop, anything that has a screen emits blue light. Usually, if you buy the better option on your lenses, you will have the blue light filter included. Another great option, as far as accessories go, is a universal sun clip. So you have this pair of glasses and you've never worn glasses before. It'll be helpful to be able to put a sun clip over them to have sunglasses for when you go outside. That sun clip should have UV protection and it should be polarized. UVA and B, I forget which one is which, but the UV rays, one causes cancer and one burns your skin. So you want protection from both. And you want it to be polarized. I lost my train of thought. You want it to be polarized because polarization cuts glare. A tint without polarization is just dark, but you're still going to experience glare without that polarization. So, are you going to wear glasses? Are you about to wear glasses for the first time? Drop it in the comments below and share your biggest challenge with your new glasses. I would love to help you out. Okay, so that's what I got for today as far as getting your first pair of glasses. To recap, the biggest thing is you want to get something that fits properly. I suggest something lightweight so it's not heavy on your face. And once you get those glasses, you need to give them a try. Because a lot of times, if you haven't worn glasses before, when you put them on, your vision is going to seem strange. That's because your brain needs to adapt. So that's important as well. And in order for you to adapt, you must wear them consistently. So put them on in the morning and leave them on. eventually you will get used to them. It's been my experience that right around a week or so, if you have that issue in the beginning, right around a week or so, your brain starts to get used to the new prescription and you start to see fine. I don't know about all opticals, but the optical that I work with, they give you a window to come back if you're having issues, to get those issues taken care of. Now, once you're outside of that window, then those glasses are yours. But if you're having issues, most places give you a window to come back with your concerns. Okay, guys, that is all that I have for you today. If you found this to be helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe. And if you could, like I said earlier, leave a comment letting me know what your biggest challenge is with your new glasses. So go ahead and subscribe, and you won't miss more tips about glasses. What to expect, how to take care of them, when you should get them, all of those things I talk about. Okay, guys, until next time.